Hey admin users, whether you have the legacy menu at the top of your screen or you've made the switch to your sidebar menu, both have received a sleek and updated design look. You'll notice that your icons are different. Sidebar menu users, they're now in color. For legacy menus, they're not in color, but they do match those updated icons. Back here on your sidebar, you'll notice that it defaults to open. You can collapse that at any time by clicking this arrow here. So open or close, it's up to you. Your universal search is located here at the top. Clicking will open and allow you to filter. Legacy users, yours is located here as well. For all users, everyone's alerts now have those new and updated icons. If you need help from Focus, click your question mark. It's going to bring up that vendor documentation that corresponds with the page that you're on. And then, whenever you're ready to log out, it's now located conveniently next to your name. So this is the new and improved Focus Portal look. Thanks for watching. Check out our wide range of videos to help you master Focus.